घंटा 15-20 कोई नहीं काल तुमकां सगळें खबर आसतलें की हांगा कोणें तरी JCB घालून अनऑथरायज्ड कितें तरी कामां केलां हांगा आनी आमी सगळे तेजे एकदम खंडन करता जे जालें तें हांगा आनी केन्ना आमच्या आमदाराक कळ्ळें की अशें जालें म्हणून राती शी वॉज रियली अपसेट आनी सामकें रागार आशिल्लें आनी आमकां विचारलें कितें करपा आमी कितें करया ती पयलें पसून सगळें झाडां रोवन हांगा आनी हांगा कसल्याच गाडी भितर सोंपना तशें करून आनी एक्चुली हे जे ओरिजिनल लोकांक पायवाट आशिल्लें तर तशें पायवाट धरपाक आमी ठाणपणान आमी हें डिसिजन घेतलां आनी हांव हें सांगूंक सोदता की कोणाकूच असलें कामां करून दिवपाना आमी इल्लिगली कोणाक कसलें कामां करून दिवपाना हे जे लोकांचे पायवाट आशिल्ले ते पायवाटो आसतले कसलेच गाडी जावं कोणू जावं कसलेच इंटेन्शनांनी कोणाक कितें केलां पळय हांगा आमी वोगी रावपाना असल्या कामां लागून फुडें आनी हांव सगळें मागता हें पॉलिटिक्स करनासतना वांगडा येवन आमचे कारांतले आमी वाचोवपा जाय इतकें सगळें मागता हितून कांयच हें ना आनी आमी परतून सुद्दां CCP जावं काय आमदारान जावं कोणान जावं काय पंचायतीन जावं हांगा पंचायत लागना तरी म्हणून आमी कोणेच तांकां ऑथरायज करूना हें काम करपाक हांगा हें सगळें आमी लोकांक आश्वासन दिवंक सोदता की हे जे बीच आसा आनी जे पायवाट आसा सँड ड्यून आसा सगळें आमी सांबाळटलीं कोणाची कांयच एनवायरमेंटल आमी कांय प्रॉब्लेम करपाना हांगा
Yeah, so just like Kishore Shastri mentioned to you, when we heard about this news and it had become quite a big thing, we were not aware that this was happening. So when I was told about it, I checked with everyone, and no one had given such permission to do this work. So we decided that we are going to close this the way here and keep it just a walkway, because we don't know with what intention it was done and who did it. So just to ease the people also, a lot of people had called to find out what was happening. So we also want to let them know that we had nothing to do with this, and we are going to maintain this as a pathway or a walkway only for people. So that's what we're doing right now.
Yeah, so like everyone had said also, now there were rumors that we were constructing a road and we were going to develop this area also. We want to show everyone that will not happen. If anyone even attempts to do it, we'll personally be here to stop them and make sure it doesn't happen. We want to maintain the beauty of this area, and that's why we've organized this tree plantation drive, and we organize it immediately also because we don't want anyone misusing this space. Thank you.
जशें ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरान सांगिल्ले भशेन आमचे मेयर आनी म्हजे कलीग कॉर्पोरेटरान जशें सांगलां की हांगा शेनवारा कोणे तरी JCB घालून हांगा ही वाट क्लियर करपाचो प्रयत्न केलो CCPचे वाटेन परमिशन दिवना आशिल्लें सो आमी चिंतलें की हे जे कितें झाडां बीन कट जाल्या ती आमी परत रोवपाक जाय कांय नेचराक डिस्टर्ब जावंक जायना म्हणून आमी परत झाडां रोयता आनी ट्रेडिशनल जी पाथवे आसा ती चालूच उरतली आनी अशें जर कोण करता जाल्यार आमी एक्शन घेतली
our plants because this incident happened on the 9th of October and I called up the flying squad at around 5 o'clock and no one had registered a complaint and I asked the flying squad, can you come on the site? And no one could come on that particular day, nor even yesterday, and not even today I got a call from the flying squad. Flying squad belongs to her department, that is land and revenue. So you can see that she has failed n number of times. If this incident happened on 9, don't you think that it was the duty of her son to come and block the JCB?
She means who?
The Montserrat family which is here. The Raj that is Chollainga, Raj, family Raj. Husband, wife, now son is here. He is the elected representative over here of this ward number 3. When he got this news, he should have come here and stopped the work. Why a citizen named Joe Martins came and parked his car over here straight, stopping the JCB? You all have all recorded this. This is on record. Was any of them present over there at that particular time? So what is this kind of mockery that's happening to show the media at this point of time? Today we've got kids come over here. You think these kids have just planned it? We just planned it today morning. The kids have been doing artwork because we want to save our future. Environment is something that we love, and you all know that last year during pandemic also our farmers' fields were taken, plowed fields were taken for Panchayat Ghar. And when Jennifer was asked the same question, you know what she said? She said, oh, on Google Map nothing was planted. And she said, y'all came very late to her when we approached her saying that, to save our fields. So this is what she's doing, a show face. And when we questioned her, he was a citizen who asked her because he resides here. This was his access road. And he knows that when I questioned her, we were recording it. She said, don't record. Why she's scared to record? Why a citizen is asking a question? Why she's scared to record? She told another representative to stop recording over here. And when I intervened saying that no, please record, everyone should know what is happening over, she fired a bad word at me. Did you witness that, Louis? Witnesses. This is how our representatives are, where they fire bad words. We as citizens have come down here because we want to protect this for our children. My son is over here, my friends are over here, and all their children are over here. Why are we here? Why senior citizens are here of this area?
Yes,
Because
I'm also there, Sarita Martins, owner of, daughter of late Caetano Martins, to support this place.
Yes.
Because I am the owner's daughter, Martins Beach Corner, where my father has run a world famous shack, first shack in the history of Goa. He's really made a name working hard. He bought a farm in Belgaum. Yes, Babush have targeted me for my own house, sending Ansteno Viegas saying
Yes.
that the house does not belong to you, that the house belongs to Ansteno Viegas. I want to tell the people of Goa where the house where Ansteno Babush Munsarat is staying belongs to late Assis Viegas, son late Anton Shire Viegas, daughter-in-law late Elvira Martins, and the grandchildren Dr. Ochka, Kevin, my cousin Alan and Viegas. His route, Babush's route, are to be cheated. Can Babush send Ansteno Viegas to claim Caetan Martin's property belongs to him? Caetan Martin has bought his property from Caetan, late, my brother is not allowing me to talk. From Father Viegas, we have the papers.
So you can see here. So kindly requesting them, like, don't do this, yeah. Don't do. First you destroy and then you're coming and planting again. We've seen this till today morning at 6:30 when I passed through this road, nothing was planted. 6:30 in the morning I passed by this road, nothing was planted. And today, because everyone is having their plantation drive, they've also decided to come much early beforehand and do the plantation drive. I mean, everyone has got a WhatsApp forward. If this was a citizens movement, they should have invited citizens to come and support. Did any one of y'all get this invite? Any one of y'all got Montserrat's invite to come for the plantation drive? Invite citizens, no? Invite citizens also. We are also part of it. Let us all come together if y'all are against this kind of owners of the hotel who are doing this nonsense over here. All that we want is to protect our land for our future of our generations. So, Mata Tumka Saglang, please, Poya, see what is happening. Look, these are our elected representatives who are destroying, and after 2 days they wake up to plant. And remember, the farmers' field also have been taken. Bangini Beach also there was a problem. British Cemetery also there was a problem. Everywhere there's a problem here in Talegaon. This is for y'all to see. Please, y'all only can see. This is a joke. This is a total joke. Residents of Talegaon constituency and Panjim constituency and Raibandar everywhere who have elected this family Raj. See what is happening in front of your eyes. This has not been happening ever. All has been happening during this pandemic time. It's a disaster, guys. See this way.
Today morning, local MLA and CCP mayor started planting trees over here while you all were supposed to plant.
Yeah.
So, what do you want to say on this?
They're just saying that, as I said earlier, this is a joke. If they were really concerned, they would have stopped the JCB from coming here. They would have also put a case against the owners of the hotel or the person, I think it was Tejak, all the JCB or whoever the person who's doing this construction work or destruction work, whatever it is. They would have put a complaint on them. But where it is, they are all their people only. Who they're trying to eyewash over here. This is a total, mockery. And this is what BJP is doing. They'll destroy and say, this is what you're doing good now. This is not the first time it's happening. Any Taligaonkar who's the most senior citizen over here will know Shetache kite part zala inga. And ata now they're touching the sea level. Everywhere they are digging into. All these years, do we need, like as he as a resident said, this is our pathway. Leave it as it is. Years. We're going to be celebrating 60 years of liberation. Just like liberation aata hai. Beautification, development, this is, and you're destroying all protection. These are sand dunes. You don't get a JCB on sand dune. There are nowadays, because of their Montserrat Raj over here, we can see JCB on the beach. Whether it's Waingini beach, whether it's our beach over here. I mean, what's happening here? What's happening to Goa? So please, people of of Taligaon constituency, don't fall for this. You all know very well. Everyone knows what's happening. So just see for yourself. That's why we are come here. We came with children. We can't arrange children just like, this is planned. We've asked parents' permission and everything. So it took us 2 days to come here to have this moment. This is for our children's future. Yeah, I'm a parent. My son is here. Everyone is here. So please.
मिनिस्टरांचे म्हणपाचें आसा तुम्ही हांगासर येयल्या पॉलिटिकल स्टंट करपा खातीर तुमकां जर 5 तारखेक खबर आशिल्लें जाल्यार तुम्ही तेन्नाच कित्याक येवंक ना अशें मिनिस्टर म्हणटा.
If it was a political thing, did I mention Aam Aadmi Party anywhere in my post, in my WhatsApp? Please see on Facebook. Did I mention a political thing? I, as a citizen, I'm an activist. I'm a social worker, and this is not the first time I'm doing it. I'm not doing it because of politics. If you all know me from when I've been detained 3 times by the police, raising issues on Save Mole, our farmers' field, and even at at the Panjim Church when I was arrested and my son was separated from me. Why would I want my son to go through this? I'm a citizen of this state, of this place where I reside. I'm a voter here, and it's my duty to raise concern. Because people over here are scared, and somebody needs to be a voice, and that's why we are being the voice over here. Who is there to confront our MLA over here? When we confront her, she told my friend to stop recording. What is she there to hide? If she has something openly to say, when a citizen is asking a question, she should have answered, and someone should have recorded it. It would have gone on record. You're firing a bad word at me, and you're saying that I'm a drama queen. Who's doing a drama over here? This is for the residents to see. This is drama. This is perfect drama. They have the money. God knows how much money they must have eaten. That same money they're putting it back. And not crores of it. Must be just not even a lakh of it, rupees. This is what they're doing back.
मिनिस्टरांनी हांगासर कोकोनट प्लांटेशन केल्लें आसा सो रिमेनिंग जो जागो आसा थंयसर उरलेल्या तुमी प्लांटेशन करतले.
That's why we have already brought our saplings and come over here. If you can see over here, these are sand dunes. Why they had to be destroyed? And this has happened in broad daylight. And you think Rohit Montserrat, who's the elected representative over here, Ward number 3 this is. Okay, Ward number 3, he's the elected representative. It took him 2 days to come. He should have been here, no? Did you all see him? You all are media people. Did you all see any of the Montserrat family on 9th or on 10th come and do something, a protest on that particular day? Did you all? This is for people also to see over here. It was all over the news. It was citizens coming forward. So today I have shared messages, and a lot of people have received messages saying about the plantation drive, and this has been done now. This has been done now because of our WhatsApp. It started sharing from 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning, and the work has started after that. And so all the children over here. Okay, all the children, do you all like what is happening over here? Do you all like this destruction? No. Do you all want to save the trees of Goa? Yes. That's why you all are here, right? Yes. This is for their future. At Tenche Fudarak. आता सगळे जण तुम्ही दोळे उकडे करून प्लीज हो टायम देव पासून पळयता आमकां. आता आमी गोंय साल्वार करिना जाल्यार न्हू गोंयचे पार्ट जातले. आतांच आमी सांगतात तुमकां. आतांच टायम हा प्लॅन करपाक, बिकॉज इफ द चिल्ड्रन डोंट गेट द ट्रीज, अँड दिस इज वॉट दे डुईंग ऑन द बीच एरिया. Really? All these years, you all are here 20 years in ruling. You all have decided now, after this construction of this hotel has come up, for easy access of them. Please guys, please.
आपली सँड ड्यून्स नष्ट केले आणि आज हांगचे आमदार जे आसा आणि सगळे कॉर्पोरेटर जे आयला हांगा झाडां परत लावपाचो ढोंग करता. पयलेचदा हांवें पळयला की झाडां कापून 2 दिसांनंतर थंयच झाडां लावपाचो ढोंग फक्त भारतीय जनता पार्टी करूंक शकता. हातून 3 मुद्दे आसा. पयलो मुद्दे कायद्याचो. हे खंयच्या कायद्यान केल्लें आसा? दिस इज CRZ एरिया. दिस इज नो डेव्हलपमेंट झोन. हे खंयच्या कायद्यान केलें आणि हे करपाक परमिशन कोणें दिलें आणि हे कोणा खातीर केलें हो प्रश्न पडटा. हांगाचो कॉर्पोरेटर जो आसा ताजें नांव मोन्सेरात. पणजेचो आमदार जो आसा ताजें नांव मोन्सेरात. तालिगांवची आमदार जी आसा आनी जी रेव्हेन्यू आनी लँड मिनिस्टर जी आसा तिचें नांव मोन्सेरात. पूण एकूय मोन्सेरातान तोंड उगडलें ना. तांकां हे थांबपाक जालें ना. फ्लायिंग स्क्वॉडाक लोकांनी आपयले. कित्याक पावले ना फ्लायिंग स्क्वॉड? कोणें तांकां फोन करून सांगलें हांगा कांय दखल दिवंक जायना म्हणून? तर खंयच्या कायद्यान हें जालें आनी कोणा खातीर केलें हें मोन्सेरात परिवारान उत्तर दिवचें पडटलें. दुसरो मुद्दो म्हळ्यार हो फूल स्ट्रेच जो आसा मिरामार ते करंजाळे पर्यंत तुमी मुद्दम हांगा केन्नाय चलून वचात. दिस वॉज प्रपोज टू बी अ अर्बन फॉरेस्ट. केंद्र सरकाराची एक बरी स्कीम आसा नगर वन स्कीम. नगर वन म्हणजे अर्बन फॉरेस्ट. शहरांनी एक जंगला सारको परिसर करपाक, कित्याक ताचे खुबशे बेनिफिट्स आसता, एडवांटेजीस आसता. ही एक स्कीम केल्ली आनी पणजेन हो नगर वन हांगा करपाचो प्रपोजल आशिल्लो फाटल्या वर्साची खबर आतां. आनी हांगा नगर वन सोडून अर्बन फॉरेस्ट सोडून झाडां कापून मोन्सेरात परिवार कॉन्क्रीट जंगल करपाक सोदता. व्हॉट इज दिस नॉनसेन्स? भारतीय जनता पार्टीचो सरकार म्हणटा आनी मोदीची जे तुमी स्किमाची मर्डर करतात हांगा. आनी तिसरो जो पॉयंट आसा, व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट पॉयंट, हो जो आसा हो आमकां देवान दिला, हो कोणें बांदूंक ना. दिस इज अ गॉड गिवन नॅचरल डिफेन्स. पणजे तालिगांव हो सबन परिसर जो आसा इट इज ऑन द कोस्ट. फाल्यां सायक्लोन येता, सुनामी येता, सी लेवल रायज जाता तेन्ना ही झाडां आनी हे सँड ड्यून्स आमकां वाचयतले. हांगा कोट्यांनी रुपयाचे बंगले आनी फ्लॅटां आसा. मोन्सेरात परिवाराचो स्वताचो बंगलो आसा हांगा. हो बंगले फ्लॅट बांदपाक 2 वर्सां लागता. पूण सुनामी आयली जाल्यार 2 मिनटान हे बंगले आनी फ्लॅट व्हांवून वतात. आनी हे जर झाडां आनी हे सँड ड्यून्स आसल्यारूच तुमी वाचतले. हे मातशे चिंतात. फुडार मातसो कितें जातलो ते चिंतून एक्शन घेयात. इतली ग्रीड बरी न्ही. यू आर किलिंग योर ओन फ्युचर फॉर युअर ग्रीड.